Hello everyone, it's me Sabin Panthi, all the way from Central Queensland University, Sydney campus, Australia. I am here to give a presentation of my first group assignment of network design on the topic network design of OS dispatched. We were in a group of 4 people including Shiva Basyal, Vikas Shah and Santoshi Khadka. Talking about the background of the assignment, we were given a case study of OS dispatch which is located in Parramatta, Sydney, and we were given to design a network design of OS dispatch. Moving into the slide, the first topic of the slide is table of user communities. User communities are the group of people who uses the network directly in an organization. Talking about the OS dispatch, the user communities are managing director, data analyst, sales and marketing executive, accountant, collection and location staff. And here we can see the size of the community, location and the various applications that were used by the user communities. Moving to the next slide. The next slide is data stores. The data store, they are the repository that are used for storing, managing the information generated by the OS dispatch. The various data stores used are DNS server, web server, mail server, file server, and the database server. The DNS server, web server, and the mail server are used by all the user communities, whereas the file server is used just by the administrative staff, and the database server is either used by the administrative or the user communities. Moving towards the next slide. The next slide is network application. The various network applications used are these are the softwares, and they uses the network platform to perform the particular functions. The various network applications used in this project are email application, which is used to retrieve and send the emails between the customers and the staffs. Next is web interface, which is used to browse the web. The third one, document imaging, which is mainly used by the administrative staff, and then the last one is the database management. Moving to the next slide. The next slide is the traffic flows. The traffic flow. Talking about the traffic flow study about the interaction with the objective to get the optimal transport network with smooth movement of traffic, reducing traffic congestion. The traffic flows are between the client and server. The various traffic flows, various protocols used are FTP, HTTP, DNS, SQL, and the traffic flows are between the client and server and the host and the terminals. Moving towards the next slide. This is the final slide, and this is the model for addressing and naming. Model for addressing. It is an approach that uses the data structure that it is mainly designed for the machine readable, and the second one is the model for naming. It is one of the most easiest and effective model which is used to access, which is used mainly by the users to access using the name rather than the address, and it is designed in a way that is human readable. Moving towards the next slide. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day. कसरी काट्नु कति मिनटको 4 मिनटको